lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am filming this video on my lunch. I was planning on going to Walmart to do some more Ibotta, but it's pouring down rain. I'm not going. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I got so far, and I might add to this video by going after work, okay? So let's start out with the first deal. I decided to get the M&Ms. Now, my store did not have the smaller pack of the M&Ms. They actually only had the share pack, which was priced $1.48 on the shelf, but they rang up for $1.64. I called the cashier over at self-checkout and had her to price override. Yes, I did. So you're gonna get two if you decide to get the share size. Get her the price override for $1.48. Two is gonna be $2.96. I did use the 50-cent coupon from coupons.com. You have to purchase two to use the coupon. Takes 50 cents off, making you pay in store $2.46. But there is 50 cents coming back for each pack from Ibotta, giving me $1 back, making the final cost $1.46 for the two shareable packs. That's not too bad at all. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was the Skintimate razors. All right, so this is a 4-pack, and this is a Coconut Delight. All right, price $5.97. I used a $4 coupon that I printed off of coupons.com. So I had to pay $1.97 in store. $2 came back from Ibotta, making the final cost free and a 30-cent moneymaker. That's a good deal. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Bic stationery. Now, I have done this rebate before in the past, and I do like these colorful pens when I'm writing things in my planner. So these were priced $1.88 in my Walmart. No coupon, so I had to pay $1.88. $1 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost 88 cents. I don't think that's too bad, and that's a good rebate. Now, the next offer I would like to talk about is this little weird little ice cream ball. That's all I'm gonna say. Roll the tape. I'm on my lunch and I'm about to eat this little sucker. He ain't gonna make it home. It is Alfonso mango. All right, bite-sized ice cream bundled in sweet rice dough. Oh, am I gonna like that? Your reaction. It looked like it's gonna be good, but it's the fact that it's in what? Like, what is it in? I'm a texture person, and I don't like that. That is weird. I don't like the texture of it. If you can get to the ice cream on the inside, okay, it's good, but that outside part, I'm a texture person and I don't like the texture. Yes, guys, that thing was weird to me. Just weird, but it's a cheap rebate, okay? So don't discount it. It's a cheap rebate. $1.12 is what I had to pay. No coupon, 30 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost 82 cents. It's a cheap rebate. What can I say? Next rebate I decided to do was on the soft soap, guys. I found this one on clearance. So this is the soft soap foaming tablet starter kit. What you get 1 bottle, 2 refill tablets of the foaming hand soap, and it says that it is a refillable aluminum bottle. So we're gonna pop it open so you can see what it looks like. Now, this was priced $3.29 on clearance. There's no coupon. I didn't have a coupon. $2 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.48. I don't think that's too shabby. Let's see what the bottle looks like. Okay, all right. So that's what you get. You get your little tabs. Okay, that's kind of cute. You get your little soft soap refill bottle. Okay, you better do it, soft soap. That was definitely worth $1.48. Now I want to share with you guys some deals that I did not get, but you guys may be interested in, that I seen them in the store, but I was like, no, I don't think I want that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the Can2. Okay, so Can2 products on Shopkick, they have got a leave-in product that's qualifying. It's priced $5.97. So no coupon, you're gonna have to pay $5.97. When you scan your item in store and upload the receipt after you purchase it, you will get back $1.60 from Shopkick, making the final cost $4.38. I didn't think that was too bad if you are brand loyal to that particular product. All right, guys, so the next rebate I want to talk about, or deal I want to talk about, is the Dove body wash. So I started to do the Dove body wash deal. This is the thing. The Dove body wash, if you use the insert coupon, which is the 22 ounce, the Dove body wash in my Walmart was priced $6.97. I think that's a little higher than it used to be, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Now, there is not a Ibotta rebate, but there is a Shopkick deal. Okay, so what I did, I decided to look at the smaller Dove body wash. There's the 12 ounce in my Walmart, and it was actually priced $4.42. So I scanned it with the Shopkick app and it gave me the scan kick. So surely it's going to work for the receipt upload. Okay, so you can't use the insert coupon with that, but you could just pay the $4.42, scan and upload your receipt, get $1.84 back from Shopkick, which would make your final cost be $2.58 for the body wash if you're brand loyal. Now, if you decide to do the 22 ounce bottle of Dove, that is priced $6.97. Then you turn around and use the $1.50 insert coupon. That is going to make your price be $3.63 after the $1.84 coming back from Shopkick. Okay, so it's just up to you. $2.58 versus $3.63. I don't know. Gives you a little Shopkick, but if you're brand loyal to Dove and you like Dove body wash, I think it's a good deal, because paying $7 for one thing of body wash is not a deal. Okay. Next deal let's talk about is the Palmolive Shake and Clean, that starter kit. Now, I've gotten that before. The Ibotta rebate is, however, gone, but it's priced $2.48 in my Walmart. No coupon, no Ibotta rebate, but there is 80 cents coming back from Shopkick. And if you do swag bucks, if you purchase one, you'll get 25 cents back from swag bucks. Okay, now I have combined Shopkick and swag bucks before. I'm pretty sure I have, and I didn't have an issue. So, you know, just use that at your own discretion. Okay, let me go over the math real quick and make sure this is right. Yeah, final cost $1.43. So if you weren't able to do that Palmolive starter kit, you wanted to try it, you can get it for $1.43, courtesy of swag bucks and Shopkick. Next deal that is an Ibotta rebate, but I was just like, no, I don't want to pay that price. But you guys may like this dish soap and you may want the deal. So the Method dish soap is priced $3.49 in my Walmart, so you would have to pay that. There is $1.25 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $2.24. I don't know, you might be brand loyal. I'm not going to judge you, sis. The next deal I ran across was the Snuggle. We got a all or a Snuggle insert coupon that was actually for $1.25 off of coupons.com. So I was trying to get the smallest quantity of dryer sheets I could find, and all they had in my store was $3.47 for a 70 count. Okay, so if you use that $1.25 coupons.com coupon, your price would be $2.22. There is no other rebates that I am aware of to go with this deal, so the final cost would be $2.22. I don't know if you like Snuggle dry sheets and you don't have a bunch of dry sheets. Listen, $1.25 less than $3.47 is still a deal. Okay, I know we so used to getting things for cheap, darn near free, that we're just like, we turn our nose up at $1.25 savings. All right, guys, the next deal ran across was on the 3D Doritos. Okay, 3D Doritos, and it is a fetch offer actually, and you've got to get the 6 ounce according to the offer. Okay, so in my store, the 6 ounce bags were priced $3.48 on the regular chip aisle. Okay, there were 2 brands that they had, or 2 flavors that they had. Fetch will give you back 750 points when you upload your receipt, making a final cost of $2.73. What the heck? It's food, it's a snack. And if you like those 3D Doritos, then you go get it. You go get it. I wanted to close out that Ibotta haul video, guys, because I didn't go to the store. Well, I didn't go to Walmart. I actually went to Publix, okay? So hopefully you would check out that Publix haul, all right? I did find some Ibotta rebates there, so that's where I went, guys. And I did not finish my midweek moneymaker. No, I didn't. And okay, I'm all right with it. I'm not gonna miss that $3. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below of the video, guys. If you like hearing about deals that I didn't necessarily pick, but you guys may be interested, let me know in the comments below the video, and I will continue to include those in the video, okay? All right, have an amazing day, guys, and see you later. Bye-bye.